Susan. Today I'm participating in MargareteMiller's Collage Challenge, and we're on week 32. And our prompts for this week is time. So I have this clock. Let's see here. I think I need this more over here. We have a face. So I've got the little kitty cat's face. A piece of washi tape you rarely use. I've got this. Something braided or woven. I've got this ruffle, which the fabric has been woven. A clothing tag. This came, my oldest son had a birthday this week, and his girlfriend gave him 2 Mississippi State shirts, and my son gave him 1. So he's set for Mississippi State polos. So he's got a white, maroon, and a stripe, so he's good. And the bonus is something smooth. And this is, I believe, I don't know if it's Tim Holtz or Paper Studio, but it is real smooth. It's chipboard, and it is got a smooth texture, so I'm going with that. And the flowers on it are smooth. So I hope everybody's doing great. Without further ado, let's get started. Be sure and check out MargareteMiller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP32. So I am going to go ahead and glue my prompts on. I should have, haven't used my glue in a little bit. I probably should have made sure it's in working order. Okay, so far so good. I'm just gonna put that on, and let's see how we're gonna lay this out. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put on some of this washi tape. Just put it up here. And I may go ahead and put some down here. Kind of frame it out a little bit. Why not? Normally I would add glue to this, but it's just going to be my book, and it's not going to get a whole lot of use. I'll go back and look at it every so often. Okay, so we have got our clock. And I think I'll add my kitty cat. Let's see. I'll have my ruffle somewhere like that. And we have this. Let's put that under. Maybe over a little bit, and I don't know. Of course, you got the face of the clock too, if you want to get right down to it. Maybe. Something like that. Not sure exactly how I want it. Well, I really don't know how I want this. That. Maybe something like that. I think I like that the best of all the different ones. So I am gonna go ahead and put this down here. Yes, I'll just glue this down. And I'd probably do better to use a glue stick so won't get the little glue lines, but maybe it won't show up too bad. Okay, and then we can add that. Just probably should use Fabri-Tac, but if I have to come back, I have to come back. All right. Now I will add some gold splatters. So I do love gold splatters. Right. There we go. Let's see if we've got everything. We have our time, which is the clock, a piece of washi tape you rarely use. I've got that. Face, we've got the kitty cat plus the clock. Something braided or woven. The material in this ruffle is woven. Clothing tag, we have got that. And something smooth, which is our chipboard tag here, and the flower on it is smooth. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all, I love you. Please take care of yourselves. Have a wonderful week. Be sure and check out MargareteMiller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP32 to see what everyone else has made. Y'all take care. And until next time, bye y'all.